Alright, chat. I'm making a video with my cousin. He's joining the lobby right now, but basically, we're gonna be playing Monkey Up, made by Styled Snail. And I found a couple secrets in the. Oh, there he is. Alright, Milo, come on.
Guys, I'm so new.
Milo, come up here. Oh my god.
It says downloading. 12%.
Ah.
I'm so new.
Hey, Milo, I'm already up here, bro. What you doing down there?
That's because you like doing hacks.
I see you down there. You're so small. Look up, Milo. Milo, look up.
What the hell? How do you get up there so fast?
Oh, you just gotta be good at the game.
You're slow as hell.
Oh, really? Then how come I'm already inside the house? Oh, fuck. I fell. JK, I never fell.
Yeah. You deserve to fall.
I'm joking. I never fell. Oh, hey, you're getting pretty close, bro. I hope you don't fall.
Yeah, that's just me.
I'm gonna wait for you up here at the cactus. Oh, shit. I almost fell.
What's up, my Nick?
Bro,
Is that slippery?
nah. There is one fake one, though, that you can fall through. Oh my god. That's slippery, though, and you have to slide onto the coin. Damn, it's raining so hard. Mila, are you under a tree? Oh shit. Whoa.
Oh, man.
Whoa.
You're cooked, little bro.
I fell. But don't worry, bro.
Oh, I fell too.
I just watched you fall, bro.
Bro, wait, what do I do?
You don't do nothing.
Do I start going back up?
Yeah?
I feel like there's some sus and stump.
There ain't nothing in Stump, bro.
Bro, how do I get back up?
It's easy, bro. You just have to know the pattern. And then you go up here, you go behind this board, and then you disappear into something that will bring you up. See, bro, it really was that hard to find a secret teleporter.
It's raining, Aaron.
Yeah, I know. Milo, go in the damn teleport. Oh, you did.
I did. Call me Rocky. He said she ain't gonna call me that.
Bro, I made it all the way up to the house without using that teleporter one. Like literally a couple days ago. Maybe 2 to 3 days ago when I didn't know that.
What do I do now? Do I climb this tree?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Why'd you tag me, bro?
Oh, it's raining so bad. It's making my nipples cold.
Alright, we'll do a part 2, bro. It's raining too hard. We gotta go. Bye.